Whirlpool wtw5000dw1 washer spins out of balance, just installed new suspension springs.
Is your Whirlpool washer top or front loading? How old is it?
Top load about year and half old.
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool washer? What have you tried so far?
Made sure level put new suspension springs, doesn't matter if it has clothes in it or not, spins violent.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, my name is LLB assisting you today. I will attempt to answer your question as quickly as possible. Ignore the phone call request pop-ups unless you want a phone call. Those are automatically sent by the site, not me. You will see them pop up. If you do not want a phone call, just ignore the requests. Did you calibrate the machine?
The machine was recalibrated. I went to bed after an hour and a half wait cause I get up early.
I never received a reply from you. Does it spin violently every time?
Even when empty. I've replaced the suspension rods already. Didn't see your reply so far. I've replaced suspension rods, drive hub and wash plate. It's been happening for a few weeks, just getting worse and so bad it shuts spin cycle off after about 30 seconds. Machine is level side to side and front to back.
This isn't a problem that I've ran into on these machines. Have you tried a capacitor?
How would that help? It builds up speed then vibrates so bad it shut the cycle off.
I really don't think a capacitor would help, but I have found that they cause lots of weird problems. Because you have replaced the suspension rods, I suspect the wash basket, inner tub, has leaked the balance fluid out of it. The tub has a built-in ring of liquid that self-balances the tub. If that leaks out, it will cause a severe out-of-balance issue. If you move the whole tub around, you should hear the liquid moving or sloshing inside the balance ring. It will be difficult to tell if it's the water in the bottom of the tub sloshing or in the balance ring. It's much easier to tell with the wash basket removed, but I think it's the only thing left. If you haven't already, please check to make sure all the suspension rods are clicked into the correct position at the bottom and top.
They are all incorrect. I'll pull the tub out this evening when I get off of work.
Okay, that would be the best way to check. Pull it out and shake it and move it around to see if you hear the liquid moving. Please let me know. Thanks.
Okay, will do, thank you. I can hear liquid moving when I roll it, but tub tries to roll back like liquid not moving very fast, acts like it gets airlocked, if that makes any sense.
If that's the case, then the basket is the cause and will have to be replaced, but I believe it is no longer available. Checking on that now. The part number for the wash basket is W10752719. https://www.searspartsdirect.com/product/eric0ub8w10052719 at close to $300. I wouldn't recommend doing that. I would suggest replacing it. I'm sorry for the bad news. I would recommend a similar machine though. These are my favorite washers and they are the most popular top-load washer. If you have further questions, please come back to this page and ask. There is no additional charge to come back and ask follow-up questions. I want all my customers to be happy with my answers to the best of my ability. The rating you give me does not affect what you pay for this service. Any questions or concerns about your account, membership, charges, fees, cancellations, complaints, refunds, or waiting times can be addressed by contacting customer service from your account page. Please do not give the expert a negative rating for customer service issues. I have no control over those issues. I'm just the technician trying to help you. You can give your rating by selecting one of the 5 stars located on the top right of the question page on a desktop or at the bottom of the page on a mobile device. You must go back to the site where you started this question if you're reading this on your phone's text messages. Thanks, and have a great rest of your week.
Okay, thank you. I was hoping that wasn't the problem. Thanks, I'll accept your answer and rate you high.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.